The captain of
Tigers.
the Tigers team is going to open the bowling. First over, power play, only two players allowed outside the inner circle.
So
All right, let's get this show on the road. DJ, can we have some music?
नहीं नहीं रहने दे अभी हो गया अभी क्या स्टार्ट हो गया टाइगर्स ने टॉस जीता और opted to bowl first and
Right,
there's
here's the first delivery to Rohit. Okay. He's just taking a run up. Okay.
he's just taking a run up. We thought it's the first ball
Because the Rohit also was standing like
and
that. I thought
Rohit
he was
also
ready to
is
hit
ready
the
for
ball.
to play the shot and hopefully this will be a legal delivery.
Hey, they have a new debutant also, na? Suyash playing in that 11. He never played before. It's the first time he's playing.
Who?
Suyash, you're playing for the first time, na? He's another debutant.
So Shreyas is another debutant from Heroes.
Full toss.
Full toss and it's
Played
towards
on the drive. Outside the inner circle. The flare cuts it off. And that's 2 runs of the first delivery. Do run. All right, we have another debutant who you will be seeing on the field very soon. Suyash Chaturvedi.
hopefully in the next match. I think
In
it's
this match, he's in the
in this
playing
match.
11.
Oh, he's playing.
He's in
now.
this playing 11, so you'll see him very soon.
Very good. Good to see there are a lot of debutant in SPL this time.
Yes, very young people.
And it's a full toss.
He pulls on the onside. There's a fielder.
The square leg and it's run single.
Single. 2 balls, 3 runs so far.
So one of the top player from Heroes is Mr. Akshay Kurana. He's a slow right
Very
arm
destructive
spinner.
player indeed.
He's 24/7 available for nets. And another player who is warming up in shoulder.
And that's played very nicely. It was a Yorker length ball. Swept it.
towards this fine leg and it's
Fine
stopped.
leg in action once again. This is the second time in this over that he has been in action. So far, no boundaries conceded. The batsmen have been making runs running. Sudhir is back on strike. Five runs, 3 balls.
It's a
Sudhir
good line and length
negotiates
from
this one.
गुड लाइन एंड लेंथ सागर का अच्छी गेंद है ये वो उसने अच्छे वेल प्ले किया सुधीर ने ये जस्ट डिफेंस
Beautiful shot. Will this be cut off? And it is. Well done. Good job. Well done, Devdas.
बॉलर के ऊपर मारा सुधीर ने और देवेश ने वहां पे बाउंड्री पे बॉल रोका तो बैट्समैन ने 2 रन लिए जरा ये
Has anybody seen Sonu's? Okay, it is here.
ये चाहिए
Oh, dot ball, but the keeper misses it.
and it's buys and 4
And
runs
that's buys, and that's 4. The
And towards the leg
Starts with a
side,
wide.
राजेश्वर का शुरुआत वाइड से शुरू किया है.
Dot delivery, well played.
It's a dot from राजेश्वर. ये एसपीएल का बहुत महंगा प्लेयर है टाइगर्स के लिए. राजेश्वर 5-1 करोड़ रुपए लिया टाइगर्स ने राजेश्वर को. अगला गेंद राजेश्वर सुधीर के लिए. And it's again the good length delivery. It's
Good line
completely missed.
delivery. Rohit was not able to put it away.
Is not able to read the delivery of Rajeshwar.
So far, only one run that has come off while 2 dot balls. Here's his third delivery. Fine leg back in action. 3 balls bowled so far, 2 runs.
क्रिक हीरो का ना पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया तो अभी उससे ना सीधा इस पे कनेक्ट कर दिया ये वारंट. ये जो नीचे स्कोर दिख रहा है ना ये क्रिक हीरो का स्कोर.
अगला गेंद राजेश्वर का. And
Sudhir wanted to play it.
सुधीर ने स्विच हिट कोशिश किए लेकिन कंप्लीटली मिस हुए बॉल. बहुत अच्छा गेंद राजेश्वर को. तो बैट्समैन के माइंड को रीड किया राजेश्वर ने अच्छे से.
Rajesh
अभी तक
bowling very good line and length.
अच्छा वो स्कोर बोर्ड भी आ रहा है वो समरी वाला.
अगेन इट टुवर्ड्स लेग साइड एंड इट्स वाइड. अंपायर वाइड का इशारा. Who is this madness? I am in love with my sadness. Intoxicated. अगला गेंद राजेश्वर सुधीर के लिए.
That's a wide.
अगेन फिर से वाइड का इशारा. दोनों गेंद अपनी लेग साइड पे रखे राजेश्वर ने. सागर ने आके स्ट्रैटेजी बताया. अनदर डिलीवरी अगेन वंस अगेन.
Appealed for a stumping.
अपील
but
फॉर स्टंपिंग फ्रॉम
the umpire says it's not
शंकर.
out.
सो इट्स नॉट आउट. बहुत अच्छा ओवर अभी तक टाइगर्स के लिए ये.
Shot.
Towards the mid wicket.
There's a fielder and he cuts it.
And he cuts it's a single for Sudhir.
All right, so the end of the second over.
End of 2 overs and 16. क्या? अरे नहीं नहीं रे.
Sudhir on strike and the bowler is Sagar. Vishnu. Okay, Vishnu. Okay, the bowler is Vishnu. This is the third over. First ball by Vishnu. Sudhir on strike. He pulls. Falls short of the fielder. The fielder does well at the end and there is 2 runs.
2 runs from Sudhir. Oh, this is Vishnu from Kerala. He is a Srisant coach.
Vishnu with his second delivery.
Till yesterday, Srisant was coach for Vishnu, but after this match,
He pays it and it's...
And
Oh, he drops it! Drops it.
रोहित का कैच छोड़ना बहुत महंगा पड़ सकता है टाइगर्स के लिए.
सुधीर का कैच ड्रॉप किया.
सॉरी सुधीर
That was
नहीं,
Sudhir's catch.
रोहित का कैच है.
बाला बाला ऑब्जेक्शन लिया, चकिंग का ऑब्जेक्शन लिया है, चकिंग का ऑब्जेक्शन लिया है. अरे हाँ लिया तो अंपायर ने वार्निंग दी.
रोहित का कैच छोड़ा तो कितना महंगा हो सकता है कि वो टाइगर्स को देखना पड़ेगा.
That's a wild wide, and that's a no ball as well. It's a no ball.
इट्स अ नो बॉल.
It's no ball.
जतिन अभी मैं मतलब मेरे को ये मत कर, तू अभी बोल रहा ना वहां से, तू बीच में क्यों बोल रहे तुम लोग यहाँ से यार. अरे दोनों ना वाइड भी है तो नो बॉल भी है. अरे दिया ना यार जतिन.
All right, it's
नो ही लिया. इट्स अ फ्री हिट. टेंशन मत ले जतिन.
another full toss. Umpire shows this as a no as well.
It's a no again. It's a no and the free hit continues.
Free hit continues.
It's a free hit continues. अरे तो यहाँ से तो अंपायर दिया तो वाइड है, तो फिर उसके बाद वहां से तो नो दिया ना, तो फिर नो का लिया ना, तो फिर बात नहीं है यार.
अरे करेक्ट किया ना उसको, सुना कर बराबर से जतिन. Shot. There is a
And the
fielder. Will he
shots-
cut it? No, he
And
doesn't.
it's a 4.
That's 4 runs.
It's over the long on and one. सुधीर के लिए. It's again the switch hit from Sudhir towards the third man and single. सुधीर ने स्विच हिट मारा और थर्ड मैन की तरफ बॉल गया 1 रन दौड़ के लिए. 27 runs for Heroes in the second over. Third over, sorry.
Drink water after this. Shot.
It's played over the mid wicket and the short mid wicket. The good fielding by Faizan. I think he's going towards the keeper to make it run out, but both the players are already inside the crease.
Poor Faizan doesn't have a strong throw, so he went all the way up to the bowler to return the ball.
The last ball of the over.
Please apologize to Jatin Balaji before he comes running again.
It's another switch hit. It's 1 run towards the point from Sudhir. No break. It's 3 overs, 29 runs.
All right, so that's the end of the third over.
जल्दी से पानी पियो, खेल शुरू करो.
Guys, please do not waste time drinking too much water. We are allowing the water.
If you drink too much of water, you will not able to run. Please drink less water. Mansoor is staring at me. Both the youngest player and the oldest players are having a discussion for the next match strategy. Mr. Sujay and Mr. Amit Panekar. Both played very well in the last match. Unfortunately, the match became tie.
Amit missed the century by
So I think the next match they are planning the strategy that what will be the...
Bala. Amit missed the century by 92 runs.
Amit is missed the century by 91 runs. Yes. And hopefully he will cover the 91 runs in the next couple of matches. को cover करो वो नहीं बता रहे. राजेश का अगला बॉल. शंकर ने अपना फील्ड को डीप पॉइंट कर रहे हैं. अगला गेंद राजेश्वर to Rohit. Again another switch hit.
Another chance, another opportunity. Again,
And another
dropped.
catch miss. It's another catch miss from Abhay Galinde from Dombivli. यहाँ पे
And
एक
it has
विकेट
gone
हो
for
सकता
a
था.
4. Let's look
And
at the
it's a 4
scores.
run.
Santosh?
ये कैच हो Toreros.
3 balls remaining in this power play. Shot, flat shot. Rajeshwar stops the ball. They were only limited to 1. Last two deliveries. Last 2 deliveries of this batting power play. That's an out. Sudhir was going aggressively. He misses the ball and the keeper does well behind the stumps. That's the first.
बॉल अभी अरे मैं टर्न किया तो वो लेके गया मैं क्या करूं अभी तो मेरे सामने हर चीज के लिए लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होता है लास्ट डिलीवरी टुवर्ड्स द लॉन्ग ऑन
Back to Devidas. Devidas does well. Restricts the last ball to 1 run.
and it's a good throw from Devesh
And that's
this
the end
over.
of the 5th over. And the score is 56 for the loss of 1 wicket. 56.
And there is a 55 run opening partnership between Sudhir and Rohit. It's a good opening partnership between them. So innings का आखिरी ओवर लेके आ रहे आमिर कटमणी करेक्ट
And to bowl the fast last over we have Amir.
Amir Kutmani from Pyramid team. I think there is a lot of works to be done for Castrol, Mr. Manikandan. Can you just please go and complete and then bowl the over? टाइगर से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपना इनिंग्स का ओवर जल्दी से खत्म करें बहुत समय ले रहे हैं आप लोग
We also request the captain of the next match to be present for the toss. All right, the next match is between the Kings against the Thunderbirds. So, captains of the Kings team and the Thunderbirds team, please be available. Oh, he drops it.
हेलो हेलो डीजे रायन रायन hello hello okay the captain of Kings and Thunderbirds Kings Viraj please come for toss requesting Sandeep to please
Facilitate the toss.
So we have the captain from Kings, Viraj, and Mayur from Thunderbird, and a special guest for the toss, Mr. Sandeep Singh.
Shot between the bowler's hand. Rameshwar does well. limiting it only to 1 run.
ये आमिर कटमनी का ट्रेनिंग मुर्तजा ने दिया है. जो भी गलत होगा तो मुर्तजा को पकड़ सकते हैं हम लोग. तो मुर्तजा इज द कोच ऑफ आमिर कटमनी. Thunderbird won the toss. Heroes have won the toss.
All right, guys, just an update. Thunderbirds have won the toss and decided to bowl first. All right, let's look at this last over. All right, 60 runs on the board, 2 balls remaining. Let's see what we have here. Pulls! There's a fielder. Will he stop it? He does. Single, 61. Final delivery of this inning. Amir to Rohit.
Viraj, please share the playing 11. If there is any change before the match, do let us know. It was the last ball of the inning. Went to the mid-on.
They come
Oh,
back
he's
for the
running.
second. They're trying really hard and they make it. 63 runs on the board.
It was commendable. He opened the inning and in the last ball he ran for 2. His fitness is remarkable. I am sure a lot of us would have given up on the second run. But Rohit ran like a tiger, completed like a hero, and then easily he managed to get the 2 runs. Umpires would be great. Requesting a committee member, anybody or any player can please arrange the water for umpires would be great. Thank you so much, Sanjay. Thank you so much, Sanjay. Umpires, we are arranging water for you. Okay, let's begin with the next inning. We had wasted a lot of valuable time in the first match. There were so many confusion, arguments in the first match between Warriors and Kings, which led to losing so many valuable minutes, probably an hour, which we had to cover in the remaining day. But I must admire what and how Balaji has handled the entire situation. He ensured that both the parties were absolutely happy with the decision. I can't say what I'm feeling right now, but at the end I had to accept because it came from the committee.
अमित ने
I think Amit, that has always been the strategy, the time, the delay. You understand that, Amit?
more the delay. more the fun.
Okay, are we going to start or the inning is done and we have the result, is it? Who has won?
हीरोज को रिक्वेस्ट है
Heroes,
कि प्लीज अपने
take your
players को
field
लेके-
in. They will not come until your team has taken the field. Another 2 minutes. We want the batsman to take the crease. Sagar, send your opening 2 batsmen. They will go.
Yes,
Heroes.
Sagar, you are absolutely right. You from your 2 players only. For them, 11 players. Right. We don't mind if you 11 players can go and play after the match. कौन? हम दोनों का है.
Heroes, please take the field. Heroes, do it inside. Do it inside so that
Do it in the middle of the pitch, heroes, please.
And we have a debutant in Heroes. And he waved at us, so with a smiling, such a big smile on his face, Suyesh. And there are fans cheering for Suyesh.
There is a very, huge number of fan following for Suyesh. That's only one GC.
Thank you so much, Sanjay. Appreciate your effort. Now requesting the team to quickly begin the match. Between the innings, we can't take 10 minutes or 20 minutes just to start the next inning.
Let's play. Laga.
I think Balaji is trying to be like a DJ and giving a rhythm to his commentary.
DJ is very busy in his mobile, so we thought.
And to begin the inning, it seems the premier bowler from Heroes, Datta Sukumal, is starting the inning.
And the opening batsman is Shankar and Vishnu from Kerala, coached by Srisan.
We will have to do the dope test then. I hope he doesn't follow the steps of Srishant. He was a brilliant player. We missed out of a lot of years of his service in India.
Sometimes mistakes happen, so maybe he could
Mistakes is a part of life. We learn from the mistake. And we are ready for the second inning. The first ball. It seems Sudhir is still fixing his. Bowler is ready. He's itchy to bowl the first ball. Sukumal to Vishnu. And a wide delivery.
वाइड का इशारा अंपायर का पहला गेंद वाइड फ्रॉम हीरोज.
The ball was on the leg stump. If he would have flicked, it would have been 4. Sukumal to Vishnu, the next ball. A length ball. He cut. And a point. Fielded well. With another run, the score moved to 2.
स्ट्राइक पर है शंकर गावड़े.
Shankar is known for his manipulating fields. He knows he comes forward and then he lofts from either cover or mid wicket, and that's how he scores a majority of his runs.
बट वो सामने वाली टीम को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है स्टंपिंग के लिए.
As it says, with every risk there is an opportunity. He takes the risk, he comes out of the crease, there is an opportunity for Sudhir to stump. But let's see, he connects, his hand-eye coordination is brilliant. He reads the length pretty well, pretty early. That gives him the time to either play near the mid-wicket or towards the cover, a loft shot. He shuffles through the crease, it's on the leg stump.
It's a middle and off, and it's towards a leg by or by. It's a bat, umpire.
Umpire has given leg byes.
Request umpire to please give some sign. दिया था क्या? नहीं देखा.
Sukumal to Vishnu. Another short delivery.
And another single from Vishnu.
It's a batting power play. I'm sure Shankar would want to utilize this because there are only two fielders allowed outside 30 yard. It gives the opportunity to batsmen to loft over the 30 yard and score some valuable runs. It's been a quiet over, brilliantly bowled by Sukamal.
4 गेंद में 4 रन, हर बॉल सिंगल.
He wanted to give a whack. He could not connect. And with another single,
4 बॉल में 5 रन टाइगर्स का.
Tigers is only dealing with singles, especially in a batting power play. It can come and halt. Let's see what Vishnu does. Sukamal to Vishnu.
It's played over the mid wicket and it's a 4 run from Vishnu. Good shot.
Sukamal wants more protection for the pull shot. And another bounce. It went straight to the mid-on, only with 1 run. So there was only 1-4 in the over. And at the end of the first over, Heroes have scored 10 runs.
Physio. Spray.
Till the time that 4 was scored, Sukamal has bowled really well. He ensured he restricted the batsman, the caliber of Shankar.
अगला बॉलर हीरोज की तरफ से अतुल कुमार. अतुल कुमार फ्रॉम डोंबिवली.
So the second over,
Played over the extra cover and it's a 4 run. अतुल का पहला गेंद में चौका विष्णु का. सेकेंड बॉल फ्रॉम अतुल टू विष्णु. Again another short delivery and it's played over the extra cover and it's a single. Shankar wants to say and he's completed the second run. That is a misfield from Heroes. And played over the mid wicket, between the mid wicket and the long on. Another 2 runs from Tigers.
I think there is a stat which says that he is the slowest bowler in the SPL. It requires a lot of attention, a lot of detailing in terms of reading the ball, and Vishnu is doing brilliantly. And another full length. Atul tried his level best to restrict and field. However, Vishnu was able to run. And it seems that, Shankar, who's known for his big shots, he hasn't come to the party yet. It has been Vishnu's show so far. So far, he has only scored only 1 run and faced only 2 balls. It seems that's the reason why we haven't seen Shankar batting. Next ball to there was a switch hit. He tried switching hit. He wanted to cover from fine leg. However, he could not connect. And I think Atul has been brilliant. We know he's a slow bowler. However, he bowled even slower than that. Shankar could not read and he missed it. And that has been the story again. He wanted to play a sweep. He was on the ground, tried his best to connect. However, he could not. I think that has been the USP. Every bowler has its own strength. So after 2 overs, Tigers have managed to score 20 runs. They need 44 runs in the last 4 overs. They are maintaining the they are maintaining the run rate of 10. I think if they maintain this for the next 2 overs and they manage to score 40 by the end of 4 overs, this match will be interesting. And to understand that, the icon player himself, Rohit to Shankar, the first delivery, he was wavered, went down the leg side. Shankar tried to flick it. He knows that there is no deep fine. However, he missed connecting that. It was a wide ball. He's struggling for the timing. He again tried sweeping. I think in the last 5-6 balls, he tried sweeping each and every ball. That's the reason why he's not able to connect. The caliber of Rohit, he understands. Hence, he's bowling to the full length and is not giving him chance to sweep. Rohit to Vishnu, who has done the bulk of scoring so far. The ball went to mid wicket and another single. We have to praise how Rohit is bowling. If we look at how Shankar has played so far, he has faced 6 balls and scored 2 runs. It was a release shot. He tried to hawk, however, he could not connect. Let's see the next ball, and it's in the air. Sukamal was under the ball, and he could not grab. It was another drop catch.
Big miss by Sukamal Datta.
And so far, it is a big miss because most of the run is made by Vishnu. He has scored 18 runs out of 10 balls. And dropping his catch can become a crucial for heroes. Another release shot, but brilliantly yorked. I think he stepped forward and the fuller length, he made a yorker out of full length. Had he been on his crease, he would have had more chance of connecting, but he couldn't. The last ball of the over, Tigers move on to 26 runs. It's a lofted drive. And Sukamal misfielded. Vishnu was able to run 2. Rohit ends his over by giving 7 runs. The score has moved to 28 runs after 3 overs. In spite of Shankar struggling, somehow Tigers have maintained the run rate and they are still in the game. It's not that they are very far. Now they need exactly 12 runs per over. Tiger needs 36 runs to win from 18 deliveries, 12 runs per over. And I think if Shankar comes to party and he starts and umpires have given the signal, it's a batting power play. Remember, in batting power play, you can only have 3 fielders allowed outside 30 yards. And the dependable Akshay Khurana has come to the party. It seems Sudhir has taken the call. And there is a change. We have the mystery bowler called Atul. He has taken, it seems there is some discussion going on between Sukumal, Sudhir, Akshay, Atul. It's a batting power play. They understand the importance of this over because one release shot from Shankar can set the tone for this over. So far, he's been struggling. He has scored only 3 from 7 balls that he has faced. However, Vishnu has ensured that he has given a good company to Shankar, released the pressure from Shankar. He has scored 20 from 11 balls.
ईरस से रिक्वेस्ट है कि जल्दी से अपना इनिंग्स कंप्लीट करें.
We have lost a lot of overs. In order to cover the remaining match, we have to go on with the game. And I think Sudhir has taken the call after a long conference meeting. And the decision is that Sudhir is going to bowl. Sudhir has taken the responsibility on himself. He understands that Shankar is struggling, but he's capable of clearing any field.
How crucial this over is for Tigers?
This is an absolutely crucial over because the required is 36 from 18 ball. Exactly 12 runs per over. Shankar came down the track, tried to hawk. However, a leading edge right went in the sky. Sudhir was under the ball. He ran backward couple of meters but could not judge and could not catch. The batting team managed to get 2 runs. The next ball, Sudhir to Shankar. And another ball. He tried to play the reverse. He tried to play the sweep shot, which he's not been able to connect. He tried multiple times. It is a dot ball. 34. And this time he connects. The ball is running towards the fine leg. And it's a 4. The last 2 deliveries, Sudhir is not able to keep Shankar quiet.
बॉलर के ऊपर पे मारा, 2 रन भागा. अगला गेंद सुधीर का. And it's a 4.
And after 4 overs, exactly they have scored 40. The required run rate is still 12 runs per over. And now Akshay Khurana has come into the attack. Vishnu has played brilliantly. So far, he has scored 20 runs from 11 ball. And Shankar, because of the last couple of brilliant shots, now he has scored 15 runs from 13 balls. To win, they need exactly 24 runs from the last 2 overs.
12 गेंद में 24 रन. It's a good fielding.
It was a short ball. He tried to cut. The ball went to point and 1 run was scored. Now Shankar is on strike. Sudhir is setting the field. Shankar has connected couple of balls brilliant in the last over.
And it's a wide ka ishara
And
from
umpire
umpire.
has given the delivery as wide. Shankar is standing. And it's a good ball. It's a dot ball.
And it's a 4 runs from Shankar.
As I said, Shankar is capable. Couple of release shot, and then we know what Shankar is capable of doing it. In the last few balls that he has faced, he has managed to get 3 fours. Now Tiger needs the ball is in the air. Sukumal is under the ball. He tried for reverse cup, but he could not grab the ball.
सुकुमार का बहुत अच्छा कोशिश है.
And he raised his hand in apology because this was a second drop catch.
It's another good delivery from Akshay.
Shankar stepped out of the crease, tried to connect, but however, he could not connect. Now Tiger needs 15 runs from 7 balls. Well fielded in the deep.
And it's a single for Shankar. नहीं. And it's over. It's the end of over.
Shankar stepped down towards the crease, charged toward the bowler.
And it's over the fine leg and it's a single. 6 ball and 14 runs to win for Tigers.
So Akshay has bowled brilliantly. He has given only 10 runs where the required run rate was 12. So far Heroes have given only 10 runs per over. It seems there is a discussion between Sudhir, the captain, and the icon player. Atul, who is the mystery bowler, was also there in the discussion. And it seems Rohit has taken the ownership of defending 14 runs in the 6 balls. Vishnu is batting on 21 from 12 balls. And Shankar, who has picked up the pace in the last 2 overs, is batting on 21 again from 12 balls. It has come down to the last over where Tigers need 14 run from the last 6 legal deliveries. Let's see, with the experience that Rohit has, will he be able to stop and restrict the 2 in-form batsmen who have played the first 5 overs? And it's a part. What a ball! Shankar stepped out and turned a length delivery into a yorker, went straight to the bowler, and it's a dot ball.
5 बॉल में 14 रन.
And again, it was a full length delivery. Shankar stepped out, went for a sweep, could not connect, another dot ball. The first 2 deliveries have been dot. And the ball is in the air. Will it be caught? Yes, it is.
Catch.
The captain has taken the onus on himself. Let's see.
The
1 run,
last-
6 ball. And a
It's a dot ball and the wait for Heroes. वो चलेगा. अरे फ्लो में आ गया. ऐसे निशान. Nishan, it's in the flow, man. So be chill.
See, 1 ball, you become a hero by hitting a 6. You give the hope to the entire ground that this is going to be a great climax at the end.